Sabay mo doon! Nalala mo yung sinabi ni... Teka lang, bakit? Gumagalaw ko. Alam ko na. Yung continental drift theory at tectonics theory na invento at ginawa ni Alfred Wegener. Dapat ko yung malaman kung ano yun.
Continental drift theory. Ang continental drift theory umano daw ay isang movement na naghiwa-hiwalay sila sa isang, para daw itong isang jigsaw puzzle. Ngunit, pagdating ng paglipas ng panahon, ito ay naghiwa-hiwalay sa isa't isa kaya nabuo yung 7 continents, ayon sa continental drift theory. Ang unang nag-propose ng continental drift theory ay si Abraham Ortelli. Ayon sa aking nakuhang impormasyon, si Abraham Ortelli umano ay gumawa ng Thesaurus Geographicus, suggested that the Americas were torn away from Europe and Africa by earthquakes and floods, and went on to say that the vestige of the rupture revealed themselves. If someone brings forward a map of the world and consider carefully the contents of the 3 continents. Ang Teatrum Orbis Terrarum ay gawa ni Abraham Ortelli na na-publish noong 1570, marked an epoch in the history of cartography. It was the first informally sized systematic collection of maps of the countries of the world based only on contemporary or only his imagination. Then he created that maps of the countries. And it acknowledged his of Ptolemy, and in that sense may be called the first modern atlas in his time. And it was the basis of Alfred Wegener to create the history that who right now is accepted by social. Alfred Wegener first presented his hypothesis to the German Geological Society on January 6, 1912. His hypothesis was the continents that had once formed a single land mass called Pangaea. Pangaea means is all lands in Greek word. Before breaking apart and drifting to their present location, Wegener was the first to use the phrases continental drift. In German, Dea Verschiebung per Kontinente, translated into English in 1922, and formally published the hypothesis that the continents had somehow drifted apart. Although he presented much evidence for continental drift, he was unable to provide a complete explanation for the physical process which might have caused this drift. His suggestion that the continents had been pulled apart.
So in order for Alfred Wegener to back up his theory, he proposed 4 evidences. And the first one is like comparing the continent into like a jigsaw puzzle. And it's called as the apparent fit of the continent. So I can explain this with the use of dance, the PPAP. 1, 2, 3, go! Back-up theory of Alfred Wegener, the apparent fit of the continent. The second evidence that backs the continental drift theory of Alfred Wegener is the fossil correlation. It is the identical fossils are found on both continents. And the first fossil used in proving this was the Mosasaurus, a mammal-like reptile that roamed the Earth during the early Permian period between 286 to 258 million years ago. It is a freshwater crocodile-like reptile, and it is physiologically incapable of crossing the lands between eastern South America to the South Africa. So this suggests that the continents were once joined. The next fossil used was the Lystrosaurus. Lystrosaurus means a shovel reptile. It is dormant during the mid-Triassic period, between 250 million years ago. The fossils are found in India, Antarctica, and South Africa. Evident is the mountain and rock correlation, where in each boundary of the continent, both structures and rocks are identical, some for the Himalayan mountain ranges and the Andes mountains. The next fossil that used in the fossil correlation is the Cynonatus. It is an extinct mammal-like reptile that roamed the land during the early to mid-Triassic period, between 250 to 240 million years ago. The fossils are found in South Africa and South America. That's good guess. Is very hot or it's just me? I'm just kidding. But you know, the Antarctica before was a very hot tropical climate. There are glossopteris that blow in there. And another is the glacial deposits that found in each continent. And also the bituminous coal. It is the second type of coal which has the 86% of carbon content. So it is the evidence that we call the paleoclimate date, the last evidence to back up the continental drift theory of Alfred Wegener. Even though there are evidences that backs up the continental drift theory of Alfred Wegener, it is not still acceptable by many, because there is still one question that Alfred Wegener cannot answer. You know what is it? It is that what are the driving force that moves the plates from the single supercontinent Pangaea into the different 7 continents that are now present. The next fossil used in fossil correlation is Cynonatus. It is a mammal-like reptile that used to roam the land between the early to mid-Triassic period, between 250 to 240 million years ago. The fossils are found in South America and Africa. Cynonatus literally means dog jaw.
Let me tell you. A theory explaining the structure of the Earth's crust and many associated phenomena as resulting from the interaction over rigid spheric plates that move slowly over underlying mantle. The lithosphere, which is the region of the outermost shell of the planet, is broke up into tectonic plates. The Earth's lithosphere is composed of 7 or 8 major plates. Where the plates meet, their relative motion determines the type of boundary, either convergent, divergent, or transform fault. Earthquakes, volcanic activities, mountain building, ocean trench formation along these plate boundaries. Convection is a movement of group of molecules within fluids such as liquid or gases and within winds. Convection takes place through advection, diffusion, or both.
There are 2 types of crust, the continental and the oceanic. Oceanic crust is approximately 10 kilometers thick, has a lifespan of 100 million years, and it is basaltic. While in continental crust, it is 20 to 80 kilometers thick. It has a lifespan of a billion years, and it is granitic. Continental crust is. There are 3 types of plate movements. First is the divergence, convergence, and lateral splitting.